Meaning of invent.
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 Invent. The term invent refers to the act of creating or designing something new that has never existed before. It involves coming up with a novel idea, method, device, or process and bringing it into existence through experimentation, research, or other forms of innovation. Inventions can range from simple everyday objects to groundbreaking scientific discoveries that revolutionize entire industries and change the way people live their lives. Inventing often requires a combination of creativity, critical thinking, problem-solving skills, and technical knowledge.